Hi guys, and in today's tutorial I'm going to give you a really quick whistle-stop tour of how I do my lion mane on my Leo lion pattern. My Leo lion pattern can be purchased on my Etsy store, which I'll put the link in the description below, but I'm going to quickly show you how I do these tendrils, and it is really quick and easy to do. So let's get started. It's going to start on round 15. Feel free to start wherever you like on round 15, but I'm just going to go here. You're going to grab your main colour, and once we've got our hook under a stitch in round 15, we're going to pull up our main colour. We're then going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then we're going to go into the next stitch on round 15, like so, and slip stitch. We're then going to do another chain 10, into the next stitch and slip stitch. And you basically just keep repeating this all the way around round 15, and feel free to do it all around the head if you have the patience. And this is going to give us a really effective mane for our lion, and it is really simple, literally just 2 steps of slip stitch and chain 10. Again, if you want your mane to be longer, feel free to do more chains, but I prefer to have mine at chain 10, or if you want it shorter, feel free to do it less than 10. So we're just going to keep working around, and when you get to the ears, you can either work in front or behind or both. The world is your oyster. You just keep going, moving into the next stitch, chaining 10 and slip stitching. And it is relatively quick once you get the hang of it, and then you'll start to build these tendrils up like so until you have your finished mane. We have our finished mane. Feel free to do as much of the head as you like. I did 2 rounds of these tendrils, but you can do just 1, or you can do even a whole head. It is super simple to do and really effective way of getting that realistic lion mane. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and feel free to drop any comments below if you are struggling with anything or needs help with anything. Thank you guys so much for watching and for using my tutorials. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.